Hello and welcome to this course on Snowflake. In this course, we are going to learn some basic Snowflake concepts and fundamentals, and we are going to learn about Snowflake architecture, some of the key features which Snowflake offers, and what makes Snowflake stand out to the crowd. So to learn this course, you don't have to really have some strong SQL or database knowledge. I think the fair and basic knowledge is sufficient. It would be good if you have some prior knowledge on cloud because in some of the slides we are going to refer some AWS services. Since this is a very short course, so I have not included any hands-on exercise in this course. So if you want to learn about how to do it and want to try some hands-on exercise and labs, so this is another course of mine which is already on Udemy. So you can take that course for get into more detailed level of labs.